Hey everybody, so this is your week 8 playlist. Like every single playlist, week 8 starts off by asking you to pass a lesson in iReady or get 30 minutes of time on task, whichever comes first for you. Make sure you fill out in your iReady data tracker the work you did. Even if you didn't pass a lesson, I want you to put which one you started. That way you know where you are. You also have 20 minutes of reading in your library book, and then you pick one activity from the reading choice board in our Bitmoji library. Okay, this week you are starting argumentative writing. Yay! So you've gone through grammar, you've started writing race paragraphs, you guys are making excellent progress. Now you get to start writing essays. So argumentative writing is writing that forms an argument. So you're going to start by doing this by watching this video about how you go through the mystery clue game. It's going to look like our Bitmoji library. It's pretty fun. You have to find clues to get vocab, and this video will tell you how you're supposed to work through it. So please make sure you watch this video because it'll be a little bit different maybe than anything else you've done so far. And then you see here step 1, step 2, step 3. So that means we have to do these ones in order. Okay, step 1, you have your scavenger hunt. Step 2, you have to read some background information. And then step 3, you have to watch this video. Now, how we're introducing argumentative writing, it's a fun game. It's like a clue mystery game. So please make sure you do these steps in order, otherwise you won't make sense. So if you want to be a detective, you want to solve the mystery, make sure you do the things in order that you are supposed to do in order. Okay, and then the last thing you have here is an ed puzzle. It's how to figure out fact versus opinion. It's an enrichment activity. You'll notice there's no performance assessment for you this week. So make sure you're doing this enrichment activity, and it's going to have you sign up with Google. If you have any issues with this, just let me know. Okay. The reason why we are doing this is because we live in a world where you're entitled to your own opinions, right? But you need to come up with evidence, and you need to have experts who back you up and say you're right in order for you to be correct. And so we do this by writing argumentative essays, but it's also just a really good way for you to start figuring out what you read is credible and how to figure out where you find factual information that helps you support your opinions or any conclusions that you make. This is really important skills that you guys need to have to be able to kind of just function in our world anymore. And we all think it's really important. I hope you guys think it's important too. This is going to be one really big thing that we focus on all throughout argumentative writing. So I hope you enjoy it and get to work.